Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you're doing well, and today we are going to move forward to the future perfect continuous tense. So dear students, this is the last category of the tenses, that is future perfect continuous tense. As the name suggests, it is the mixture of perfect and continuous tense. So you will see dear students that while making the sentence, we'll see that we have both the characteristics of perfect and continuous tense in it. So we are doing active voice of it. The passive voice of this tense does not exist. So let's get started. Ideology. इन फ़िक्रात के आखिर में ती रही होगी, ता रहा होगा, ते रहे होंगे वगैरह, या वक्त के साथ रहा होगा, रही होगी या रहे होंगे वगैरह आता है. The methodology for the affirmative sentences is subject, will, shall, have been, first form of verb with ing, object, since, for, and time reference. Now here you can see that we are using the auxiliary that is used for perfect tense, and we are using the verb that is used for continuous tense. So that is how we can say it is a mixture of perfect and continuous tense. Similarly, we just add a not after will and shall while making the negative sentences of it. Subject, will, shall, not, have been, first form of verb with ing, object, since or for, and time reference. And dear students, while making interrogative sentences, we use the same formula that we use for a general interrogative sentence by bringing the auxiliary at the beginning. Will, shall, subject, have been, first form of verb ing, object, since, for, and time reference with a question mark at the end. Now, in the sentences where we have a not and question is used at the same time, they are called the negative interrogative sentences. So the structure for those sentences is will, shall, subject, not, have been plus first form of verb with ing, since or for, time reference, and question mark or mark of interrogation at the end. So your concept can be made more clear while discussing the examples, that is, बशीर 2 घंटे से सबक याद कर रहा होगा. Now here 2 घंटे is the time reference and the rest of the sentence is the perfect tense. So here these both properties can make a sentence perfect continuous tense. Bashir will have been learning the lesson for 2 hours. बारिश मंगल से हो रही होगी. It will have been raining since Tuesday. We use the since and for in the time reference when we have the exact time that is in number. For example, 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, particular date, a particular day, a particular time in the morning or in the evening. For that we use since. And when we do not know the time and we do not know the exact tenure of the time, we use for that. For example, 7 बजे जुमेरात से, जून से, 1980 से, 20 तारीख से, सुबह से, शाम से, और एनी टाइम फ्रॉम 4 o'clock, 4 बजे से, 6 बजे से. So this is the time that is perfect time. For that we use since. But when we do not know the background of the time, for example 5 घंटे से 4 दिन से, we do not know that for what 4 days they are talking about, of 2020, of 2019, of 2018. Similarly, if we talk about 5 घंटे, we do not know the bracket of the time to what they are talking about. 5 घंटे of tomorrow, of today, or of yesterday. So, in that case, when we do not know the bracket of the time, we use for that. And when we know the exact time and the bracket of the time, that is called for that we use the. Now let's move to the exercise 1 of future perfect continuous tense. Here we have given the several sentences. I am going to do few sentences translation for you. Dear students, rest of the sentences you will do to your own. बच्चा शाम से नहीं रोता रहा होगा. The child will not have been crying since evening. Now here शाम से, so we use since because we know that which part of the day they are talking about. पूरे दिन में शाम एक ही बार होती है. We just come across with the evening just once in a day. So that is why we know the time reference. नहीं सीती रही होगी. Najma will not have been sewing clothes for a month. नौकर 3 साल से मालिक की खिदमत नहीं कर रहा होगा. The servant will not have been serving his master for 3 years. काफिला 1 हफ्ते से आगे नहीं चल रहा होगा. The caravans will not have been moving on for a week. So dear students, these are the few sentences I have translated for you. The rest of the sentences you may do to yourself. Now we are moving to exercise number 2, that is the interrogative sentences for future perfect continuous tense. Now we are not given any exercise for negative sentences because it is just the matter of adding a not into the positive sentence. So dear students, you may do to yourself. Now we're moving to this exercise. Let's get begin. क्या लोग 1 माह से इस कानून के ख़िलाफ़ एहतजाज कर रहे होंगे? एहतजाज, protest. Will the people have been protesting against this law for 1 month? तलबा पुलिस के ख़िलाफ़ सुबह से नारे क्यों लगा रहे होंगे? Why will the students have been raising slogans against the police since morning? क्या बावर्ची 9 बजे से खाना पका रहा होगा? Will the cook have been cooking food since 9 o'clock? औरत 1 घंटे से बावर्ची खाने में क्या भून रही होगी? What will the woman have been roasting in the kitchen for an hour? लड़के 8 बजे से क्या मज़मून लिखते रहे होंगे? Which essay will the boys have been writing since 8 o'clock? मुसव्विर 5 माह से किसकी तस्वीर बनाते रहे होंगे? Whose painting will the painter have been painting for 5 months? कल कितने मज़दूर ईंटें उठाते रहे होंगे? How many laborers will have been carrying the bricks since yesterday? कुत्ता कब से दुम हिलाता रहा होगा? Since when will the dog have been wagging its tail? Now here since has brought in the beginning just because of the fact because we are talking about when and since at the same time. So that is why since has been brought at the beginning of the sentence. So dear students, rest of the students you may do to yourself, because we are now repeating the concept of since and for again and again. So you can get the idea through the sentences that I have translated for you so far. So that is it for today. Hope you would have understood each and every concept. Stay safe, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.